Helena, see, actually we learned that there are so many defects in the Mendeleev periodic table, like Mendeleev periodic table. So Mendeleev periodic table is also called as short form of periodic table. So in that periodic table there are so many defects like anomalous pairs. Okay. Next, wrong placing of that means elements with dissimilar properties. Elements with dissimilar properties. Dissimilar properties are placed together. Elements with different properties or else dissimilar properties are placed. They are placed together. In the same way, elements with the example manganese is kept along with chlorine, etc. Along with chlorine, etc. Okay, elements with similar properties are separated. Similar properties separated. Okay. Etc. Similar properties are separated. Example, copper is separated from iron group. Etc. Okay. Next, so position of transitional elements. Position of transitional elements. Position of transitional elements. Hydrogen was kept at two places. At two places. Hydrogen was kept at two places. That means in first group and in seventh group. Okay, first group and in seventh group. Next, so about isotopes. Okay, etc. So all the etc. These are some of the defects in the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so due to these defects, that Mendeleev periodic table, it has been rejected. Mendeleev periodic table has been rejected. So actually Mendeleev periodic table is the first table, okay, and it is having so many merits also. Mendeleev has predicted the unknown elements and their properties also. He has corrected so many atomic masses of so many elements. He left gaps for the undiscovered elements. So like this, There are so many achievements also, but even after so many achievements also that Mendeleev periodic table is rejected. Why? What is the reason? Because it is also having defects. So that is why it is rejected. Why? Why these defects are present in the Mendeleev periodic table? What is the reason for the defects in the Mendeleev periodic table? So the reason for the defects is, the main reason is, he has chosen atomic masses. Mendeleev has chosen atomic mass as the fundamental property. He has chosen atomic mass as the fundamental property to classify the elements. Okay, so as he has chosen the atomic mass as the fundamental property to classify the elements, all these defects were kept in his periodic table. So from then onwards, scientists, they started thinking that atomic mass should not be used to classify the elements, to arrange the elements. See, Mendeleev has arranged the elements based on the increasing order of atomic masses. So due to this concept, so there are all these defects were present in the Mendeleev periodic table. So from then onwards, scientists started thinking that we should not use atomic mass as the fundamental property to classify the elements. See, up to Mendeleev, all the scientists, they used atomic mass only as the fundamental property, because atomic mass is one of the property of atom. So that is, they thought that is the best property. Even Dobereiner, for the first time, he has established that there is a relationship between the properties of atom and the atomic mass. Okay, so from then onwards, scientists have been using atomic mass, okay, to explain the properties. But when atomic mass is used to explain the properties, so many defects like this are present in the periodic table. Okay, right. So this is all due to the chosen of atomic mass as the fundamental property. So now the scientists are thinking for a new property, so based on which elements can be classified. So now they are in a idea of searching for a new property to classify the elements. So the properties which were known to the scientists, so no property is suitable property to classify the elements. Then the scientists, they thought that we have to find a new property to classify the elements. So at that time, so under those circumstances, a scientist known as Moseley, H.G.J. Moseley, H.G.J. Moseley, he discovered atomic numbers. H.G.J. Moseley, he discovered a new property of an atom, of elements, known as atomic number. So till till mostly until mostly no one knows what is atomic number. Atomic number is one of the property of an atom. Okay, so this he done with the help of X-ray. X-ray analysis experiment. X-ray analysis experiment. So he has discovered a new property known as atomic number, and he said that atomic number is nothing but number of protons present in an atom number of protons present in an atom is called as atomic number. Okay, so HGJ mostly discovered a new property of elements known as atomic number. Okay, it is a new property. Every atom shows this property, atomic number. So it is discovered by using X-ray analysis experiment. Okay, atomic number is nothing but the total number of protons present in an atom is called as atomic number, and it is denoted by Z. Atomic number is denoted by Z, which is nothing but the total number of protons present in an atom. So this is the new property now the scientists are having. Okay, I mean at the time of Mendeleev, at the time of Moseley, so these properties were, this new property was discovered by by Moseley. Now Moseley, he started thinking, so I got a new property, so why can't I arrange the elements based on atomic number? So earlier scientists, they have arranged the elements based on atomic mass, but now I will try. Mostly got an idea that I will try to arrange the elements based on atomic number, increasing order of atomic number. Then he started arranging the elements in the increasing order of atomic number instead of increasing order of atomic mass. Okay. So when he arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic number, then he got a periodic table in the new form, in the new way. So this is the periodic table which was obtained by mostly based on the atomic number increasing order. When here the elements are arranged according to the increasing order of atomic numbers. So look here. So in this way, he got a periodic table. The periodic table, in this periodic table, the arrangement of elements was changed, was different. See, simply, actually, one of the defects in the Mendeleev periodic table is he could not separate the subgroups. Subgroups. So that is one of the defects. So here there is no place. So simply note it. He could not separate the subgroups, the elements belonging to all the elements which belonging to a same group will show difference in their subgroups. That means all the elements belonging to a particular subgroup are similar, but they differ from the other subgroup belonging to the same group. For example, first A group elements, they differ in their properties from first B group elements. What are first A group elements? What are first A group elements? Lithium, sodium, potassium, okay, rubidium, cesium, francium. All these are what? First A group elements, 1A group elements. But what are 1B group elements? Copper, silver, gold. So these elements, they differ in their properties from these elements because all these elements belonging to a same subgroup. But these elements, they belong to some other subgroup but belonging to the same group. So he arranged all these elements together. Mendeleev arranged all these elements together as first group. So that is a defect. He could not separate the subgroups belonging to the same group because subgroups belonging to same group will show different properties. But in the long form of periodic table, the subgroup 1A is placed here and subgroup 1B is placed here. So sub 1A is far distantly separated from 1B, and 2A is placed here and 2B is placed here. 3A is placed here, 3B is placed here. That means subgroups are separated from each other. So why it has been separated? He didn't do anything to separate these subgroups. Simply he followed the order of arrangement of elements based on increasing order of atomic numbers. When he arranged the elements according to increasing order of atomic numbers, simply he got the arrangement of all the elements in this fashion, and it is called as modern periodic table or else long form of periodic table. So Mendeleev periodic table is called as short form of periodic table, whereas Moseley's periodic table is said to be long form of periodic table. Okay, so in this periodic table, all the defects were lost. All the defects were vanished, were removed. So for example, take anomalous pairs. This defect has been removed. First of all, this defect, that means separation of subgroups is achieved. Okay, separation of subgroups, it is one of the defects in the Mendeleev periodic table. But in the long form of periodic table, the separation of subgroups have been taken place. Next, we learn the defects, how the defects are eliminated one by one. Anomalous pairs. See, in Mendeleev periodic table, so he arranged the elements tellurium and iodine. So actually tellurium atomic mass is 127, iodine atomic mass is 126.8. So which one is more? So tellurium is more, iodine is less in atomic mass. But he kept tellurium before iodine. But Mendeleev followed. So he followed one thing. What is the thing he followed? He arranged the elements according to increasing order of atomic mass. He said that I have arranged the elements according to increasing order of atomic mass. So if that is the case, then iodine should be placed before tellurium. But he didn't keep like that. He kept tellurium before iodine. Though its mass is more than iodine, so tellurium has come first before iodine. So that means this pair of elements, he reversed the order. So at some other places also he reversed the order, and those pairs of elements where the atomic mass order is reversed is said to be anomalous pairs. Okay, so and see, this pair has become anomalous pair. It has become a difficult in the Mendeleev periodic table, but the same, but the same pair, but the same pair is not a defect in the Mosley periodic table, because tellurium, its atomic number is 52 and iodine atomic number is 53. Because Mosley periodic table or else long form of periodic table based on these things. So what is this one? Atomic number. And this one is atomic mass. So Mendeleev periodic table was arranged based on the atomic masses. The elements are arranged according to increasing order of atomic masses. But mostly he arranged the elements based on the increasing order of atomic numbers. So in that case, if you see tellurium and iodine, see tellurium is having lower atomic number and iodine is having higher atomic number. Hence it is not a defect. From this it is understood that the defects in the Mendeleev periodic table are not the defects in the Mosley periodic table. Okay? Like this. That means the problem of anomalous pair, it is removed in the long form of periodic table or else Mendeleev periodic table. The problem of anomalous pair is removed. Okay. In the same way, if you see elements with dissimilar properties are placed together, example manganese kept along with fluorine and chlorine. Why he kept manganese along with chlorine and fluorine? Because manganese having valency of 7, and even fluorine or chlorine are also having valency of 7. See, we learned that Mendeleev followed certain thing to arrange the elements. So what did he follow? He arranged the elements based on atomic masses, chemical properties, and even valency also we learned. Okay, Mendeleev arranged the elements based on these three concepts: increasing order of atomic masses, similarity in chemical properties, and the valency, similarity in the valency. So here manganese is having valency 7, fluorine and chlorine are also having valency 7. So as they are having same valency, they were kept in the same group in the Mendeleev periodic table. So that has become a defect, because manganese show different properties from fluorine and chlorine. Fluorine and chlorine are non-metals, whereas manganese is a metal. So metals shows opposite properties to non-metals. So that is why this has become a defect in the Mendeleev periodic table. So elements with dissimilar properties are placed together. So example, manganese is kept along with fluorine and chlorine. So this defect is removed. It is removed in the long form of periodic table. How? Because in the long form of periodic table, see manganese, it is placed in 7th B. Manganese has been placed in 7th B while arranging the elements based on the atomic masses, whereas fluorine and chlorine, they are placed in 7th A, and these 7th B and 7th A, they are separated far away from each other. The 7th A and 7th B, this is 7th A and 7th B, they are placed far away from each other. That means he separated he gave separate place for fluorine, chlorine and manganese. So that means even this defect is also eliminated in the long form of periodic table. Okay, and in the Mendeleev periodic table, so copper is separated from iron group. Iron group was kept in 8th group, and copper was kept in and copper was kept in first group by the Mendeleev. But but uh, in the long form of periodic table, so copper and iron were brought nearer together, though they are not placed together, but they are brought somewhat nearer. They were brought somewhat nearer, so there is not that much distantly arranged. This, see, copper is here arranged here, iron is arranged here. So this is copper group and this is iron group. So this is copper group and this is iron group. So they are not far away from each other, because they are having some somewhat similarity in their properties. So they were brought together, somewhat together. And one more thing, see, regarding the position of transitional elements, Mendeleev, he thought that only the elements which belong to eighth group are transitional elements, and that too there are 9 transitional elements. He called them as 3 transitional triads. He believed that only those elements are transitional elements. But later on, scientists, they found that there are so many other elements are also transitional elements, but those elements were kept along with other elements. They were kept along with other elements in Mendeleev periodic table. So that is a defect. But in mostly periodic table, or else in long form of periodic table, see, look here, all these elements from here to here, all these elements are transitional elements. Transitional elements. All the transitional elements were brought together, and these transitional elements, they were kept between the normal elements. So these are said to be first A, second A, and even these elements, they are together, they are called as normal elements. So transitional elements were brought into the middle of the periodic table. Okay, all the transitional elements were brought, so no transition element is mixed with other elements here also. So all the transitional elements were kept in the same, together in the middle of the periodic table. But in Mendeleev periodic table, transitional elements were spread throughout the table. So the position of transitional elements, as they are spread throughout the table, so that was a defect in the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, position of transitional elements was a defect in the Mendeleev periodic table. But here in the long form of periodic table, so that defect is eliminated, because all the transitional elements will show the intermediate properties between these elements and these elements. As they show intermediate properties between these elements and these elements, so these elements should be kept between these and this. So they were placed. Now these elements, they got justification. So like this, even the position of transitional elements, the defect is also removed. And one more thing, hydrogen was kept at 2 places in the Mendeleev periodic table. No element should be placed in 2 places. Okay, no element should be kept at 2 places according to the rule. But hydrogen was placed at two places, because hydrogen is somewhat similar to first group as well as seventh group. Hydrogen is somewhat similar to first group as well as seventh group. So that is why he didn't understand where to keep hydrogen. Simply he kept it to 2 places. But in the long form of periodic table, the hydrogen was placed here. Okay, in the first group, he didn't keep hydrogen in 7th A group. That means only this element, one element should get only one place. So he got only one place in the modern periodic table or else long form of periodic table. So that means the problem of hydrogen, it is also somewhat resolved. Next, about isotopes. About isotopes, that is also another defect. See, actually, if you speak, let us take example chlorine. Chlorine is having two isotopes, 35 and 37. Chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. What are isotopes? What are isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of same element. Isotopes means atoms of same element. Atoms of same element differing in their masses. Differing in their masses. In their masses. So atoms of same element differing in their masses. Differing in their mass. So these are the atoms of same element chlorine. So this belong to element chlorine, and even this also belong to element chlorine, but they are differing in their masses. Okay, so that means when they differ in their masses, these two atoms should be placed at two different places in the Mendeleev periodic table, because Mendeleev periodic table, here in Mendeleev periodic table, elements are arranged according to increasing order of atomic masses. So here this thing is having 35 and this thing is having 37. So it should be these two should be arranged at different places. Then it will it should be arranged at different places, but he didn't arrange them. He didn't keep these two things at different places, because he followed atomic mass increasing order. No. So he kept chlorine together only at one place. So based on atomic masses, the chlorine should not be kept at one place, because these two are having different masses. How come they come in the same place when they possess different atomic masses? That is why it has become a defect in the Mendeleev periodic table. But it is not a defect in the Moseley periodic table, or else long form of periodic table. It is not defect, because long form of periodic table, it is based on increasing order of atomic numbers. See, if the long form of periodic table is based on increasing order of atomic numbers, then these two are having same atomic numbers. This is having atomic number 17, this is also having atomic number 17. What is atomic number? Number of protons present in the atom. So chlorine, this chlorine is also having 17 proton, and even this chlorine is also having 17 proton. So there is no problem at all now, because as both the chlorine atoms are having same atomic numbers, they can be placed together. So that is why chlorine is placed here only at one place. Now these two atoms, when they are kept at one place in this long form of periodic table, it is not a defect now, whereas that was a defect in the Mendeleev periodic table, because Mendeleev periodic table, they followed this order, 35 and 37 atomic mass order, whereas Moseley periodic table followed this order, atomic number order, atomic number increasing order. So in that sense, so as the both chlorine atoms are having same atomic number, so they can be placed at the same place. Whereas by Mendeleev, if you see, they should receive at two different places, but he didn't keep them at two different places. He kept it at the same place. So like this, the problem of isotopes is also resolved in the Mendeleev periodic table. So in this way, Mendeleev periodic table is advantageous. Sorry, Moseley periodic table. Moseley periodic table. So Moseley periodic table is advantageous over Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, right? Because Moseley has followed the atomic number increasing order, whereas Mendeleev followed atomic mass increasing order. That is why. So Mendeleev periodic table is rejected and Moseley periodic table is accepted. Okay. Now we will learn some more details about Moseley periodic table. Modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. So modern periodic table. So this is the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. It is based, whatever the periodic table, every periodic table should be based on what? Periodic law. Periodic law. So what is the modern periodic law? See, modern periodic table is based on modern periodic periodic law. Then what is modern periodic law? Modern periodic law says that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. So what is the meaning of this statement? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. What is the meaning of this one? The meaning of this one is, when the elements are arranged according to increasing order of atomic numbers, when the elements are arranged according to increasing order of atomic numbers, that means atomic numbers, what is happening? There is periodic functions, that means periodicity in the properties. Periodicity in the properties occur. Periodicity, what is the meaning of periodicity? Repetition at a regular intervals. So there is repetition. What? Repetition of properties. There is a repetition of properties at regular intervals. If you see hydrogen, see first hydrogen, its atomic number is 1. next to hydrogen is helium. Its atomic number is 2. So what is the next atomic number 3? So atomic number 3, lithium, it is placed here. Beryllium, atomic number 4 is placed here. Boron, atomic number 5 is placed here. Carbon, atomic number 6. So nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10. Okay. So next sodium 11. So magnesium 12. Okay. Aluminum 13. Okay. Silicon 14. Phosphorus 15. Sulfur 16. Chlorine 17. Argon 18. So like this. So this is the order of increasing order. So in this way elements are arranged according to increasing order of atomic numbers. So when elements are arranged, this last says that when elements are arranged according to increasing order of atomic numbers, that means if you follow the atomic number increasing order, you will find periodic functions. That means periodicity in the properties. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions. What is the meaning of this one? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function. Means there is a repetition or else there is a periodicity in the properties. There is a periodicity in the physical and chemical properties. Periodicity means repetition. That means there is a repetition in the properties. See, look here. See here, he arranged the elements based on the increasing order of atomic numbers, and he could find the repetition of the properties. See, the properties of hydrogen, they are repeated in lithium, and the properties of lithium are repeated in sodium, and the properties of sodium are repeated in potassium. Okay, rubidium, cesium, francium. So that means there is repetition of properties at regular intervals of atomic numbers. So its atomic number is 1, its atomic number is 3, its atomic number is 11, it's 19, it's 50, it's 35, sorry, it's 30, its atomic number is 37, it's 55, it's 87. So if you see hydrogen, I am writing here again, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So their atomic numbers, if you see hydrogen 1, 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87. So here atomic number 1, the properties are repeated in atomic number 3. So what is the interval between these two? Two elements are there between these two. And the same properties, the properties of lithium are again repeated in sodium. That means the properties of lithium and sodium are same. So the properties are at an interval of how much? 8. Again the properties of sodium are found in the potassium. That means the properties are repeated at the interval of again 8. Okay, so between 11 and 19, that means there is an interval of 8. Again here the properties are repeated, so at the interval of 18, here also the properties are repeated at the interval of 18, and here also the properties are repeated at the interval of 32. So at the interval of what? 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, the properties are repeated. That means periodicity. Periodicity is found. That means repetition of properties are found at an interval of 2, 8, 8, 18, 32. So why this repetition is occurring? Because the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass and numbers. when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic numbers, there will be repetition of properties. So that is the meaning of this modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function. That means the physical and chemical properties are repeated. Okay, when the elements are arranged according to their atomic numbers. So that is the meaning of this periodic law. So based on this periodic law only, the modern periodic table is constructed. It is arranged. So like this. And these numbers, what are these numbers? 2, 8, 18, 32. These are said to be magic numbers. Magic numbers, because at the intervals of these elements only the properties are repeated. Hence these numbers are said to be magic numbers. Magic numbers of periodic table. So what are the magic numbers of periodic table? 2, 8, 18, 32 are said to be magic numbers of the periodic table. So 2, 8, 18 and 32 are said to be magic numbers of periodic table. Because at the intervals of 2, because here the interval between hydrogen and lithium, atomic number interval, here it is said to be atomic number interval, because atomic number of hydrogen is 1, lithium is 3. So here the interval is 2. Interval means gap. That means this minus this one, 3 minus 1. Okay. So here these elements are arranged at the intervals of 2, 8, that means all these elements, they are showing similar properties. Why they are showing similar properties? That is the thing we have to know. The similar properties, or else the periodicity is due to the periodicity. Reason for periodicity. Reason for periodicity is due to similar outermost electronic configuration. Similar outermost electronic configuration. See a hydrogen, it is 1s1 outermost. Lithium, if you see, it is 1s2, 2s1. So s1, here also s1. If you see sodium, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So this is the outermost orbit. So due to similar outermost electronic configuration, so when the elements possess similar valency electronic configuration, so the similarity is due to what? What is the reason? What is the reason for the periodicity? The reason for the periodicity is due to similar outermost electronic configuration. So in all these elements, they are having similar outermost electronic configuration. In all these elements, they are having similar outermost electronic configuration. Here 1s1, here 2s1, here 3s1, here only outermost electronic configuration. Outermost orbit only we have to see. So here it will be 4s1. Okay, so 1s2, 2s2, 3s2, 3p6 like this. So here 4s1 you will get, and here you will get 5s1 in rubidium, 5s1. So like this. the outermost electronic configuration are similar. So when the elements possess similar outermost electronic configuration, they show similar properties. So that is why there is a periodicity in the properties. That means there is a repetition of properties. There will be repetition of properties in the elements when they are arranged according to increasing order of atomic numbers. Okay, so what is the reason for the similarity in the properties? We learnt it as due to similar valency electronic configuration, due to similar outermost electronic configuration, due to similar outermost electronic configuration, due to similar outermost electronic configuration. So the periodicity is occurring. That means repetition of properties at regular intervals. Repetition at a regular intervals. What? Repetition of properties. Repetition of properties at regular intervals is taking place. So at the regular intervals of 2, 8, 8. So like this. So these numbers are said to be magic numbers of the periodic table. Okay, right. We will learn some more points about the long form of periodic table in our next class. In our next class, we will learn some more points about the long form of periodic table. Okay, na? Right. Mendeleev periodic table has got defects in the many defects. So in order to eliminate the defects, so a new property called as atomic number was discovered by Moseley, and based on that new property, so the elements were arranged, and due to the arrangement based on the atomic numbers, so the periodic table, it got a new form. It got a new form like this. So now this periodic table, it is appearing to be like this. So we will learn about the this periodic table in depth in our next class. Okay, right.